What are we doing today? Are you filming already? Are you filming? Okay. What's up, everybody? Today we're finally working on the Miata and we're finally fixing the frame rails. We got the metal, we got some sealant, and we got some primer and paint stuff kind of thing to repair the rust. What should I say?
Just pretend like you're happy.
Guys, I'm so excited! We're working on
There you go.
What?
So there you go.
Okay.
Excitement level 10,000%. That's how you.
Oh my God, guys!
Oh my.
We're walking in a car! We're walking in a car!
Oh God!
That was really intense.
Yeah, I didn't expect that. He literally ran to the other side.
I'm tired. Alright, the intro doesn't work. Let's just get to work. Naked under the. Don't look at me.
So this is what we're fixing right here. There's nothing there.
Spiders.
And then we'll add another one over the other side.
It's because she's so dangerous.
You're doing a good job too, Pasha.
Thank you. Hey, I cleaned the whole thing. It was a joke. And I did the thing, and I cleaned the thing, and I cleaned the thing.
Wire brush like all this stuff there. Because we're gonna do all of this too. And then like right here. And then a little bit of like right here.
Yeah.
Also a little paintbrush.
Bye.
there's gonna be, well, this is gonna be it for this video, guys. We did the frame rail. Well, basically Caleb did all the work. Caleb filmed the whole video, and here I am pretending that it's my video. Thank you, Caleb, for helping me make this video and working on my car.
You're welcome.
And thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you. If you're new, please subscribe. If you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, please don't dislike the video. I'll see you in the next one. What do I say? Oh yeah, stay positive. Bye. I need my beer.